Thank you for checking out my UCF video. This is my third time flying here. I attempted to do this with my Mavic Air, but I was very choppy with it because I had such limitations. So I'm back with my Mavic 2 Pro. DJI Mavic 2 Pro, links in the description. But that first building, that's the administration building. There's the water fountain, the reflection pond, overlooking the library. And directly behind the library is the student union. It's kind of under construction. Everything is under construction at UCF, but I'll get back to that in a minute. So now behind the student union is a direct link towards the arena, the athletic area. This is the Armed Services Memorial. I'm sorry I didn't capture the flag properly in this. But I kind of got the flag mostly. Just think this is like its own little city. So there's a long grassy knoll until you get to the arena. Very long. That used to be a parking lot. All that used to be dirt. So there's the arena, surrounded by dorms and parking garages. And on the other side of the arena is another parking garage. And the baseball field. And this was on a Saturday, so people were, I guess, taking batting practice and working on fielding. And then on the other side of the baseball field is the football stadium. I just think it looks so nice all around. There's the Wayne Dench facility, track and field, baseball, something. And water everywhere. So again, that's the Wayne Dench facility. The dorms again that surround. It seems there's dorms everywhere. And back to the front of the UCF arena. Now heading over towards the engineering and business administration buildings and whatever these buildings are here. This was the only part where I lost connection with my drone. But I regained it very quickly. I just had it too low, too far away. And I did speed this up just a little bit. I didn't want to have a 30-minute video. It's tough enough to talk for 8 minutes. So there's the science building, the library on the side. And I'm coming back from the library again. Over the reflection pond. Doesn't that view look awesome? Everything's kind of lined up centrally. Back to the administrative building. And going off to the right now. More parking garage, old dorms. Then you got the student athletic facility. Surrounded by way more dorms. Pollo Tropical, tennis courts, More parking garages. The big water tower is to the left of here. More dorms. More dorms. Basketball courts. Football fields, or soccer by the American standard. And I wasn't even aware this was back here. This looks like a cool little pond to walk around. And those are apartments across the street. And there we are looking back at UCF towards the education building. You see the water tower to the right. Another parking garage. Welcome center there on the right. They like just built this building like right around the time I graduated. But it looks pretty. And on the side of the education building, more parking garages. That appears to be a dorm. Like I said, all these buildings. Okay, that little thing down there, that's the student center before the student union, right there. So that's where we went for the school bookstore and all that stuff before they built the big student union. So this was the student center. And then apparently they're building onto the back of the library. I don't even think that's the library. But as usual, UCF, when I went there, stood for You Can't Finish. I believe it now stands for Under Construction Facility. Because just there's a student union. This thing is always under construction. Sorry for the shaky drone work. Construction. Oh, and then back towards the front where University and Alafaya meet, there's more construction going on. I wonder if that's going to be more dorm. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it.